I mentioned statistics. Right, you see them here. The statistics, highly variable. The intersection has come up with 4 instead of 2. That estimate doesn't look wrong, it doesn't look too bad. And 4 instead of 2, okay, because multiply it up to the real world, it might be expecting 40,000 and get the differences will multiply. And errors like that will cascade up through the plan. You must make sure your statistics are correct. Gather statistics with histograms. We can't talk in detail about that now, but gather statistics with histograms. Tell your DBA you want as many histograms as possible. When you run your queries, always compare the actuals with estimates. And there you have an example of the estimate being wrong. Whereas for this query, the estimate was spot on. Always compare estimates with actuals. And the moment you see that these estimates are out, you need to take some sort of action to fix it, because those estimates will be confusing the optimizer. Right. In this case, extended statistics would be the solution. What it is, by the way, we're looking for clerks with a high salary. But we know that the clerical staff are normally quite low paid. So you don't get many of them with a salary above 1,000. Oracle doesn't know that clerks are quite low paid. All it knows is that we have 4 clerks and we have 12 people with salary above 1,000. So it's multiplied those selectivities together and it's worked out, well, there's probably about 4 in total. Well, there aren't, there are only 2. So column group statistics would help.
John? Minor thing on that intersect. I noticed the plan contains sorting. And do you want that? Is it necessary?
You can't avoid it. All of the set operators, with one exception, will be doing sorting to remove duplicates. And the one exception for a set operator that will not do a sort is union all is the only set operator that doesn't remove duplicates. So that's just being done by the nature of the operation.
I had put a message in the chat earlier. I think it's really important, and I think we all do, Tyson, John, and I think it's really important to learn Oracle version of SQL, and it's a little bit different, from other versions of SQL. So it's important that and union all is an ANSI thing, but it's important to know Oracle's version of it, what it does and doesn't do under the covers. It gives you more power in rewriting the queries for a more performant query. Back to you, John. Thank you.
It does very much so. Oracle is pretty close nowadays to ANSI standard SQL, but some SQL structures are known to be inefficient in the Oracle environment. Some are more efficient.